How to fix eFootball mobile connection problem, eFootball network fix. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix connection problem in eFootball, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix a network error or connection problem in eFootball, the first thing you can try to do is check the service. Sometimes the service could be down, so that is why you could be facing the connection issues, especially on Thursday where the maintenance is going on. Second thing you can try to do is toggle on airplane mode. So you can simply turn on airplane mode that you can see over here, and you can choose to disable airplane mode, leave it on for 10 seconds and try to see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that still doesn't help, then what you can try to do is, last but not the least, just try to restart your device. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.